Hi there, this is Matt with Grand Ventures, and today I'm at Silverwood Theme Park to show you not only the most extreme ride I've ever been on, but my favorite roller coaster here at Silverwood, Aftershock. Now Aftershock, it's an amazing roller coaster. There's loops, it's fast, your feet are dangling. It's pretty awesome. I'm going to give you a POV here in a moment of showing you that. Little known fact is that this roller coaster used to be called the Deja Vu, and it was at Six Flags Great America from 2001 to 2007 before it made its way over here to Athol, Idaho at Silverwood, where it's been the Aftershock ever since 2008. I kind of like the name Aftershock better, and it's blue and green, which are Seahawks colors. I am a fan. A couple of facts about the coaster is it's 191.6 feet tall. It has a top speed of 65.6 miles an hour, and also it has a 177-foot drop. And in 2012, it was voted the top hanging coaster by the Travel Channel. This is probably one of my favorite roller coasters I've been on. You might be able to hear from the screams behind me. It's extreme and fun. So I'm gonna show you a POV of it, try to get in the front row, and show you what you can look forward to here at Aftershock at Silverwood Theme Park.
You may now close your shoulder harness. While the ride is in motion, please remain properly seated with your hands and elbows inside the train and your head back against the handles. For your safety, please do not put your feet on the back of the car in front of you. Thank you. Enjoy the ride on Aftershock.
Okay, I just rode Aftershock, and it's my favorite ride here at the park. It's amazing, it's full of thrills, it's just awesome. If you've ridden Aftershock before, leave a comment below, let me know your experience. If you're into extreme roller coasters, this is it. This is very enjoyable, it's fun. The adrenaline's still pumping. You can see it flying up behind me. You're gonna hear some screams here in a moment, but definitely an amazing ride here at Silverwood. What a big, huge attraction at this wonderful theme park. And if you see, they know how good it is. If you like this type of content, give us a big thumbs up. That definitely helps the channel. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please do. And also make sure and smash that bell. That way you can join us on our next adventure. And also, we'd like to thank Silverwood for inviting us out here so we could bring you this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.